Welcome back. People, no come here, they quick and fast. No, sir. Me see, me come fi tell you no quick and fast. Me see the Chef Noel reaching the other Chef Lothian shop. Yeah, me in a pass, and me see him over there. But guess what? Me see one woman around the corner with one Starbucks in her hand and watch. Yeah. She a watch, she a peep. And I watch and I drink her Starbucks. And she not very happy. She not very happy. Look like say she know them. Yeah. So me don't know what o'clock a strike. What is going on? But when me take a stock, me find out say the chef is from Canada and he reach America and he go get a bite of the apple. He go get a bite of the apple. And through the lady with the Starbucks in her hand, she over there so long and she can't get none of the apple. She begs, yeah. She look begs like she go bust. Yeah. She look begs like she go bust. Me not think say, she look bad mind. Yeah, she look bad man. And then me hear she talk and she a cuss. Cause me nosy me a listen. She a talk and she a cuss. And she a say all kind of things. But put fun and joke aside, no. Me know say the lady with the Starbucks, they not go take it very well at all. Yeah. When me see chef in a Miss Lothian kitchen, me think say that such lady with the Starbucks, always have a Starbucks in her hand. She never go take it, never go down the coffee, never go down very well. And so say so done. As soon as me see the picture, me look, me see where she starts to act out. Because my understanding is that Chef Noel is getting an award in America and she come from Canada to America to get an award and he is a big chef. Yes, he is a big chef. They up on all television and all kind of vision and she don't like it because he's friendly with some other people what she not like. So she having a hissy fit about it. Yeah. So normal. And the people them say she have make up with me here. She talk something and it's on very like a lie. She tell lie on the man. Yeah. And bring all the man mama in a hit. My mother, she say mother into it. Yes. No, sir. Yeah. When you listen to bad mind, bad mind is active. Bad mind is active in such lady life. And that's why they can't prosper. Because them no want to see nobody do well. Everybody that's trying, then try to drag them, then try to pull them down. Yeah. Yeah, them do all kind of things with the same people. But, when them say, when nobody not fling stone after, how it go? Nobody not stone a empty mango tree. Yeah. So, she said she'll get award, so she said she'll get some award soon. So why, if you get award and your brand out there, go over, if your brand go to Canada or somewhere like so, you name them on something, so what is the problem, may I ask? Yeah. So, yeah, she just a peep on the successful people them. And she not succeed or hit none of the apple. I don't understand none of it. But me get on about my business, just start me come tell you this. Because She is so predictable. And that me I go say. You know, you can't just, you know what she a go do when she see certain things. Yeah, she have all kind of things to say. Anyway, foreign woman, don't talk and I gone, me gone.